Drainage problems affect around 35% of Amana dishwashers, making this one of the most common issues owners face. Today, we'll walk through a systematic approach to diagnose and resolve these drainage problems. First, perform a visual inspection of your dishwasher. Check the standing water depth. Less than 1 inch is normal. Also examine the water clarity, as cloudy water typically indicates filter problems that need attention. Next, evaluate the filter system. Remove the bottom dish rack and unscrew the cylindrical filter by turning it counterclockwise. Inspect all components for clogs, damage, or excessive buildup, like what you see here. Assess the drain hose configuration. Verify it has a proper high loop installation to prevent backflow. Check for kinks or clogs, and ensure all connections are secure. If connected to a garbage disposal, make sure that's clear too. For cleaning, rinse filters under hot water at 120 degrees Fahrenheit using a soft brush for stubborn debris. For drain hose clearing, disconnect it and use a plumber's snake or high-pressure water flush. Always reinstall the hose with a proper high loop. These diagnostic steps and basic cleaning procedures resolve most common drainage issues. If problems persist after these steps, advanced troubleshooting may be needed. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Amana dishwasher's drainage issues, the problem likely lies with the drain pump itself. This critical component is responsible for 15 to 20% of all drainage failures, typically occurring after 5 to 7 years of regular use. Before attempting any pump repair, safety must be your top priority. Always disconnect both the electrical power and water supply to prevent accidents. Remove the front access panel to locate the pump assembly, which is typically positioned in the front left area of the dishwasher. The pump replacement process requires careful attention to detail. First, photograph all electrical connections before disconnecting them. This will save you time during reassembly. Remove the pump mounting screws and carefully lift out the old pump. Install the new pump, which typically costs between $75 and $150, following the reverse procedure. To verify if your pump motor is functioning correctly, use a multimeter to test electrical continuity. A properly working pump motor should show resistance between 10 and 50 ohms. If there's no continuity or the resistance falls outside this range, the motor has failed and requires replacement. The future of dishwasher maintenance is becoming increasingly intelligent. Modern Amana dishwashers now feature Wi-Fi connectivity and smart diagnostic systems that can identify problems remotely. Mobile applications provide step-by-step troubleshooting guides, while predictive maintenance alerts help prevent issues before they occur. Prevention remains the best approach to avoiding costly repairs. Implement weekly filter maintenance schedules and use enzyme-based cleaners monthly for optimal performance. Monitor your water quality and consider installing water softeners in areas with hard water. These simple practices can extend your dishwasher's life significantly while preventing most drainage issues.